at that time, he was like a brother to me.
After everything Rosy went through now, so the story go end like this. This one pay people not be small. Make we not forget, say Rosy Meurer face serious backlash when her relationship with Olakule Churchill became public. She faced woto for social media. Social media drag her non-stop. People accuse her of things wey be say till today, so never forgive. She was literally the villain in many people's eyes, guys. But here is where it gets interesting. Rosy not really talk. She stayed quiet through most of the drama. No long interview, no back and forth. And you know Nigerians now, when person keep quiet, people will start to read meaning into everything. Replacement comments, guys. Now, fast forward to today. Churchill's statement say anyone could replace Rosy. This one changed the whole narrative because people are now asking, after everything she faced for you now, so that one statement alone sparked flesh controversy online. Now the internet is divided. Some people are saying Rosy didn't deserve this at all. Others are saying she knew what she was getting into. Me say, wetin I know. Now, the sympathy against criticism and trust Nigerians. Everybody gets opinion. At the end of the day, people are not just reacting to the statement, they are reacting to the entire story from the beginning. From Tonto Dikeh era to Rosy entry to where we are now. And honestly, the full truth we never know. Guys, so make I ask you, do you think Rosy Meurer deserves sympathy? Or this is just the consequences of everything that happened before? Drop your honest opinion in the comments and follow Naija for more real breakdown.